Hi, I'm Pat.
And I'm Liz.
And we're your YK Tech Team. Today we're discussing fiber.
So can anyone in YK service area get fiber internet?
Yes and no. You see, that's where you, the customer, come in. While a significant portion of our service area has access to fiber internet speeds up to 1 gig, we are currently deploying new fiber infrastructure in El Campo, Texas. We're currently asking those interested in fiber internet to back the project by signing up online. We have to make sure that there's enough interest in every area to provide fiber because it's a huge investment in time and resources.
Sort of like a survey?
Something like that. We need you to go to fiber.ykc.com and sign up for your area. You'll pay a one-time backer fee of $49.
But don't worry, that price gets deducted from your first month's bill. It lets us know that you're serious about fiber. We want to make sure that those that sign up are committed to getting the service. Think of it as an investment in your community. Once I entered in my address on the website, I see all these zones. What's that all about? Is it like the friend zone?
Not quite. The zones are actually how each city is divided up into different areas. It's an easy way to keep track of how much interest each area has in fiber service and how far you have to go before you hit 100%. Once those areas hit 100%, then we can begin to make plans to lay fiber in that area.
Hold up, so you mean I have to get 100% of my neighborhood to sign up for fiber? That's gonna be literally impossible. Old man Johnson down the road is super hard to deal with. He sicked his dog on me one time. I still have the scar.
No, you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, I do. It's super gnarly. Look at it.
How about we put that away? I'm talking about getting every person in your area to sign up. You see, 100% doesn't mean every single person. If we estimate that we need 20 out of 75 households on your street to sign up in order to invest in laying fiber, you only have to get 20 to meet your goal. And that's when your zone officially reaches 100%.
Once you meet your goal, YK will even throw a launch party for your zone.
That's right, so don't miss out. If you have any questions, give us a call at 361-771-3334 or visit us at ykc.com. Hey, where'd you get that?
From one of the launch parties.
Well, can I have some?
Go get your own, dude.
Thanks for watching. Help us out by tapping the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on social media for more.